Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Nyan Cat token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Nyan Cat is a community fund tribute token for the most iconic rainbow pop-tat cat on the internet. All royalties go to the original creator of Nyan Cat. Nyan Cat project institution rating is 3.3. Nyan Cat token total supply is around 999.97 million and circulating supply is also 999.97 million. Nyan token is listed on Meta, Aura, DMM and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.